What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nash, and today I'm going to be showing you a website where you can learn anything for free. So I'm going to focus this on business because that's what I know. So I want to show you guys, and I'm pretty sure if you guys are watching these videos or my channel, you're probably interested in business. And I've used this website for a little while now. When I was in college, you can take a course before you take the class to see how you're going to do, or just to learn a little more about the course that you're about to get into if you're in college. Or sometimes after you graduate, I've used this after I graduated. Maybe I was doing a job that was related to something, maybe financial analysis. I might go back and look at a course here so I can really re-educate myself without having to pay for it. That's why I love this website, because you can literally use it even if you're in high school. You're just trying to see what courses are you going to like, or if you are in college and you're having trouble maybe in class and you want to go ahead and take a different course so you actually learn the material, right? Or after you graduate, if you want to revisit some of the things that you learned or some of the things you might have missed when you're in college, this is a great resource. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the website so I can show you guys how everything works, how to navigate in some of my favorite courses. All right, as you can see, guys, I'm on the website right now. The link is going to be in the description below if you want to go ahead and check it out. And I recommend creating an account because this is going to allow you to save your progress or maybe track some of the courses that you're taking. All right, so this is the homepage is going to look something like this. So let's go to the homepage here. All right, so this is what the homepage is going to look like. And you want to go to free courses here. So click on free courses. That's after you log in, of course. So you have the different categories that you can actually go into. So if you're interested in education and development, languages, nature and environment, we're going to be going on to money and business here, right? So money and business. And this is a pretty long list that you can actually go through. So one of the cool tricks that I found out is that on the top, you can actually search for something if you didn't want to go through the list. But if you're just looking for something and you don't know exactly what you're looking for, I recommend actually looking through this list and picking up the interesting things that you see. All right, so you can look up, if you're going to look up maybe something in finance. When you search it up, it's going to show up here, introducing corporate finance. So you're going to see all the titles related to finance. All right, so we're going to be looking onto money and business here. So a couple of things to note when you're looking at this course is going to be the hours. This is going to be how long the course is. And then here's going to be the level. So the introductory obviously is going to be the easiest, which is what I would recommend for a lot of people unless you already know the subject and you just want to learn more. And there's also intermediate, which is kind of like in the middle. But all of these courses are great. So some of my favorite ones are asset allocation. If you want to look into investing, this is going to be one of my favorite ones, which is called asset allocation. So that's given that you actually know something about investing before you enroll in this, because it's pretty advanced. But this is one of my favorite ones. So going down, you can see that we have, business communication. This is actually things you learn in business school. You doing the SWOT analysis. This is something you actually have to learn in school. So if you want to refresh your mind, or if you want to learn this before you actually learn it in class, this would be a good place to start. And there's also some interesting ones like maybe the business of football. This is really interesting. So if you want to look into management courses, right, you have management here. You have managing people, managing local practices, managing my financial journey. So this is more of personal finance, managing my investments, managing my money. These are usually introductory courses and they're really long as well. So as you can see, this is 24 hours. You should be able to finish this within a couple of days. If you want to get into marketing as well, so you have marketing communications as a strategic function. You have, just a lot of these. And looking down here, if you want to go into project management, you also have some pretty great ones on here. And if you want to look into risk management, you also have understanding and managing risk. You also have, if you want to get into real estate, your mortgages, you have operations management, you have organizational value. If you were interested in finance specific courses, I would just type it over here just so that you don't have to look through the list. So you have introduction to corporate finance. This is my top favorite course here. It goes over all the basics of corporate finance. And you also have stakeholders in marketing and finance, which is kind of like super easy. It's 2 hours long, so this you can finish in a day or so. You also have equity finance, which is more advanced. And if you wanted to look into quantitative and qualitative research in finance, which is really interesting but really advanced as well, this would be a really, really great one. So now let me show you how to enroll in a course, right? So let's say you wanted to do this one. Let's look at asset allocation here. So a couple of things to look at here. You also get a statement of participation when you finish this, which is kind of like a certificate saying that you finished a course in asset allocation and investment. It's 9 hours long. It's a level 3, which is advanced, and it is rated 4.4 stars by other people that have taken this course. So you can look at the description. You can look at the content. So if you're just looking through a bunch of courses and you want to really see what's going on, this gives you an overview of the things that are going to be covered. So you can click on any of those and you're going to be able to see it on here. You know, let's say you like it, just click enroll and give it a second to load here. As you can see now, I've started the course and I'm 4% complete, I guess. You can just go through this, you know, read all of that. There's going to be some quizzes, I believe, and maybe some tests, but you can just go through all of this. And one thing I love about this is that you can actually print these pages here by clicking this button here. So it's really interactive because you have activities that you can actually do in here. As you can see, we have this one. This is asking you to list the 3 aspects of risk. So that is pretty much it when it comes to using Open Learn. It's super easy to use and super easy to track your progress, and you can take multiple courses. But that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to go and hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.